Hey guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video I'd like to show you how to make a picot stitch, also known as a picot. So there is two ways to do this stitch, and both of them are quite easy and they work up really quickly. So I've already made this little block just to show you how to do this stitch, and I'll be working with a 4mm hook, and let's jump right in. So I've already put a single crochet into the stitch that I'm going to be working in, as that's usually how you start off a picot stitch. So now from this single crochet I'm going to chain 3, and then I'm going to slip stitch right into that very first chain there. And this is the first method of how to do a picot stitch. So next I'm going to slip stitch into the next stitch. So again, I'm going to start with a single crochet in the next stitch, and then I'm going to chain 3. Unless your pattern states otherwise, a picot is usually chain 3. So from here I'm going to pop a slip stitch right into that very first chain that I created. And next I'm going to slip stitch straight back into those works. Like so. And one more time. So I'm going to start the stitch with a single crochet into the next stitch, and then chain 3. And then pop a slip stitch straight into that first chain that I created. So there's the picot stitch on my hook, and then slip stitch into the next stitch. So for the second method I'm going to show you, we start the same. So we put a single crochet to start it off. And then again I'm going to chain 3, as this will be a standard picot stitch. And then I'm going to slip stitch into these 2 loops here, which is the V created by the original single crochet that I started. So I'm just going to pop my slip stitch straight through there. Like so. And then I'm going to slip stitch into the next stitch. So again, I'm going to single crochet into my next stitch, and then chain 3. And I'm going to insert my hook into this foundation single crochet here, the start of the picot stitch, picot, however you would like to pronounce it, and pull a slip stitch right through there, and then slip stitch into the next stitch. And one more time, so single, chain 3, and then slip stitch right into the base of this single crochet. And then slip stitch again into the next stitch. So both of these methods work up really quickly, and they both look slightly different, but not too much. So the first method gives you more of a broader point, and I feel like it's more spread out. There's a bit of a gap between each one. And then the second method gives you a more clustered stitch. It's certainly a lot more bunched together, and it's more uniform. And both of them work up really quickly, and the best advice I can give is just to practice these stitches. They are absolutely brilliant for adding a border to something like a bookmark or a small blanket, and you can even add them into amigurumi as well. So I made a Rathalos from the very popular game Monster Hunter, and I added Picot stitch into this jaw neck piece here. And the reason I chose this stitch is because it's flat. I added flat spikes onto this piece. So there's my little Rathalos. And I really hope that you enjoyed learning how to make this stitch. If you did, please don't forget to drop me a like and subscribe and share, just to help get the word out of how to put this stitch into your little memory bank of crochet tips and tricks. And I really hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.